Hi everyone, this is Teacher Randy, and welcome back to our lesson, Practical Research 1, that will be understanding the qualitative and quantitative research. Okay, welcome to our lesson again. This is Practical Research 1, Lesson 4. We will be talking about understanding qualitative and quantitative research. So, what does it mean? Merong dalawang napakaliking research designs, qualitative at quantitative. Kayo nga, qualitative, quantitative. Okay. Understanding qualitative and quantitative research. Research has two broad methodologies. First is qualitative, next is quantitative. Quantitative and qualitative researches are complementary methods that you can combine in your research studies to get results that are both wide-reaching and profound. Alright, so iba-iba yung approaches at kung paano ginagawa ang researches na ito. Iba yung qualitative at iba yung quantitative. But they are both investigating, okay? Something. Nagsasagot ng problema at o ng mga katanungan at nagbibigay ito ng mga data. At ina-analyze ang data, nagagather. Okay, first thing, we will have the quantitative research. Okay, don't be confused because other teachers pronounce this as quantitative research. So we will have quantitative research because it is from the word quantity. All right. It is explaining phenomena by collecting numerical data that are analyzed using mathematical based methods. All right. In particular, the statistics. Oh, pag sinabi natin statistics, ano yan? Numero. Kapag quantitative, may numero. Ni, i, inilalagay yung numero na basihanan ng data gathering. Okay? Laging tandaan yan. It is used to quantify the problem by way of generating numerical data, meaning numbers, that can be transformed into usable statistics. It is used to quantify attitudes, opinions, behaviors, and other defined variables and generalize results from a larger sample population. Quantitative data helps you see the big picture. Alright, mai-explain ko to later. Next is qualitative research. Kung ang quantitative ay nagme-mention ng mga numero na ikina-quantify para lumabas yung resulta. Yung qualitative naman ay naggumagamit ng words to answer questions or inquiries in the research process. Here we go. Let's talk about qualitative research. Tingnan nyo dyan. It seeks to answer questions about why and how people behave in the way that they do. And it provides an in-depth information about human behavior. It is primarily exploratory research and it is used to gain an understanding of underlying reasons, opinions, and motivations. So ano bang sinasabi dito sa qualitative research design? Ito yung nag-aanalisa sa mga human behaviors. Kung bakit ganyan yung tao, bakit sinasabi niya yon, bakit kaya ganyan yung kanyang mga opinion, bakit kaya, ano kaya ang mga underlying reasons kung bakit n- ganyan siya manamit o makikipag-usap sa tao, kung bakit ganyan ang tao makikipag-usap sa ibang tao. Alright? So, yung mga underlying reasons, opinions, mga motivations ay ginagamitan ng qualitative research. The sample size is typically small, Okay, for qualitative research, hindi katulad ng quantitative research na kailangan mo ng maraming respondents. Okay? Yung qualitative research ay pwedeng maliit lang, 5, 6, 10, alright? And qualitative data adds the details and can also give a human voice to survey results. Kasi ito yung sinasabi ng tao. Ina-analyze mo to make your research complete. Yan yung qualitative research. Alright. Similarities of quantitative and qualitative research. Number one, both have the process of inquiry and investigation kasi nag-i-investigate yung research ng quali at ng quanti. Both yon. Both improve life and it helps us in understanding various issues of life and in giving solutions to our problems. Both din yun, nagbibigay din yun ng solusyon yung quali. Kaya nga, yung quali ginagamit yun for pagkuha ng mga opinions, pag-a-analyze ng mga opinions ng mga tao, right? So it still provides solutions to many problems, okay? Not just the quantity. So both of them. Number three, both start with a problem and end with a new problem, right? Both use textual forms in analyzing and interpreting of data. Meron kasing descriptive quantitative research design. So we will be talking about that in the succeeding lessons. Kasi both of them, quali at quanti, ay gumagamit rin ng textual forms. Yung isinusulat din at may mga words din na ginagamit to explain the quantity kung quantitative. Okay? But more of the words, textual forms are being used when you are conducting a qualitative research. Okay? Next is both use inductive and deductive methods of presenting the data. Okay. Now, Sir Randy, paano ba natin ito mailalarawan? Alright. So I wanna make emphasis of this. Look at this picture. Wait, wait, wait. Ayan. Malaki na. Alright. Nakikita ba ang data? Yung data ng quantitative, numerical, meaning may numero. Yung quantitative din, discrete. Ah, and counting. Okay? Kasi nga numero. At yung measurement din ay ginagamit sa quantitative. Alright? Pero kapag qualitative, kung numero yung pinag-uusapan ng quantitative, para ma-interpret yung results, sa qualitative, meron kasing descriptive din. Descriptive data based on the observation of the researcher. Okay? Kung kung anong observations niya, sinusulat niya yon. Kung paano yung sinabi ng pagkasabi ng interviewee, yun yung sinusulat ng interviewer. Yung qualitative kasi makikita, nararamdaman, natitaste, nakikinggan, napapakinggan, at nalalanghap, right? Uh, you smell it, you hear it, you taste it, you feel, you see. That's in qualitative. So that's how quick and simple the data interpretation of quantitative and qualitative research designs are. Next, tingnan natin ito. Kapag definition yung pinag-uusapan, ano nga ba ang qualitative? Ito yung information that cannot be expressed as a number. Hindi ini-express as a number kapag quali. Kapag quantity, numbers yung pinag-uusapan. Tama? Kuha. Kapag quantity, numbers. Kapag quali, hindi numbers. Can data be counted? Naka-count ba? Nabibilang ba yung data na nagagather mo? Hindi sa qualitative. Sa quantitative, yes, kasi numero yung pinag-uusapan sa quantitative. Alright? Yung data type. Yung data na makukuha mo for qualitative research ay words, objects, pictures, observations, and symbols. Alright? Kapag quanti naman, number and statistics. Okay? So kaya nga yung subject na statistics para yung sa quantitative, hindi sa qualitative. Okay? Next. Tingnan natin ito. This is very clear and I hope makukuha to ng lahat. Okay. Kapag conceptual yung pinag-uusapan, kapag qualitative yung research, it is concerned with understanding the human behavior from the informant's perspective. Sino ba yung mga informants? Yung ini-interview mo para sa research mo. Sa quali, yung ini-interview mo, yun yung kailangang malaman ng yun yung mga kailangan malaman ng researcher. Kapag quantity naman, ay nako, i-discover noon ang facts about social phenomena using numbers. Alright? So, assumes a dynamic and negotiated reality, and while quantitative assumes a fixed and measurable reality. So what does it mean? Kapag qualitative, ah, dahil abot mo yung ini-interview mo at um, nakikita mo, maini-negotiate mo yung reality. Kapag naman kasi quantitative, fixed yun. Kasi ang 3 hindi pwedeng gawing 4. Okay? Ang 2 hindi pwedeng gawing 1. Quantitative nga, numero yung pinag-uusapan, hindi yun change. Kesa sa qualitative, kapag qualitative, pwede mo pa yun change. Depende sa kung paano sinasagot ng informant mo or ng interviewee mo ang iyong mga tanong as a researcher. Okay? Yung methods naman, data are collected through participant observation and interviews. Interview, observation, yun yung quali, okay? And data are analyzed by themes from descriptions by informants. Paano naman yung quantitative? Kapag quantitative naman, data are collected through measuring things at data are analyzed through numerical o numbers, comparisons, and statistical inferences. Kailangan i-compute pa yun ng statistics. Data are reported in language of the informant. That's actually qualitative. Kapag Bisaya yung ini-interview mo, it will be interpreted, ilalagay mo talaga yung the way nila sinabi yung words. Okay? Sa quali. Kapag quanti naman, statistical analysis yung inilalagay mo sa results and discussion ng lesson mo or ng thesis mo. Alright. Examples. Look at this. Nakikita ang quantitative tsaka qualitative. Anong research design ang nagdi-deal ng numbers, numerical data? It's the quantitative, hindi quali. Quanti. So kapag quanti sinasabing quanti, example, 20% of survey respondents bought ice cream today. Okay? Sinasabi 20% daw yung nang nagsagot ng mga katanungan sa research mo ay bumili ng ice cream ngayong araw. Hindi numero yung pinag-uusapan ng qualitative research. Sinasabi doon kung paano at bakit nila sila bumibili ng ice cream. I bought the ice cream because I saw it when I was in the checkout line and I wanted to treat myself. See? Are there numbers there in quali? No, there is no any numbers you can see in qualitative. Look at this example for quantity. The average amount spent on ice cream by 500 respondents was $5. Oh no, it's not that it's not the way you're going to talk in qualitative. It will not never be numbers. You will say, I like a lot of toppings on my pizza, cheese, sauce, pepperoni, olives. So, opinions of the people are being talked about in qualitative, not in quantitative, okay? Last, 50% of people in New York strongly enjoy pizza. Oh, that is a survey. That's 50% of the people in New York strongly enjoy pizza. And on average, respondents rate their grocery store a 3.5 out of 5. Look at that. Look at how they do the quantitative. They deal with numbers, right? But in qualitative, you say, the grocery store has good options in general, but the lines can be long and they are often out of stock of my favorite brands. So you got ideas from the informants through using the interviews, right? That's for qualitative. And for quantitative, you give the numbers. You deal with your numbers, right? So that's actually the differences and similarities of qualitative and quantitative research designs. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, guys. That's our lesson 4 for practical research 1. This is Sir Randy. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.